Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to use COUNTA COUNTBLANK function in Microsoft Excel. Here is the data of AR Trader Private Limited sales report, and date, product, unit price, quantity and amount are given. In product section, I type the product and some dummy data to understand COUNTA and COUNTBLANK function. There is a product and dummy data of number and special character and blank cells, and to understand count, just type is equal to count, press tab key and it will select the range. Select the range and press enter. Now count function count the only number. You can see here this is a number and this is a number, and it count the only number. If I type here 30, now it count the three number are available in selected cells. And if I COUNTA function count the value which may be alphabetical, numeric or special character, just is equal to press type is equal to count a and select the range and press enter. It counts. COUNTA function counts the character, numeric value and special character 4 and 5 6. There is a 6 values in the cells and this cell is blank. If I delete these cells, this value, it will count the only 5 values are available here. And count blank, press is equal to count blank and type the selected range and press enter. It counts the blank cells of the range. Here is a 2 blank cells here. It counts the 2. If I delete here this number character, and it counts the 3 blank cells. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.